Ginger tea for weight loss, plus 11 more benefits while losing weight. Ginger is a flowering plant native to Asia. It has been used to spice up many cuisines and to treat various ailments. Today, let's discuss the myriad health uses of ginger tea, from weight loss to relief for stomach discomfort and nausea to prevention of cancer. Number 1. Relief for menstrual pain. Menstrual pain is a common discomfort many women endure during that part of the month. Because ginger has been proven to have anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties, it is usually recommended to alleviate menstrual pain. In several studies, women participants reported that consuming ginger tea helped reduce their period pain. Number 2. Relief for stress. Ginger has aromatic properties that allow you to enjoy a relaxing effect. Drinking a cup of tea can boost and improve your mood as well as leave you feeling calm. Number 3. Boosts immune system. Ginger is dense with antioxidants that can help you strengthen your immune system. Drinking a cup of ginger tea every day can help you stay generally healthy. It can reduce the risk of strokes and can keep your heart in good shape by minimizing the fat around your arteries. Number 4. Prevention of cancer. Ginger has been proven to help treat certain cancers, specifically ovarian cancer. Research has found that it can inhibit the growth of ovarian cancer cells. Ginger induces apoptosis or cell death. Number 5. Prevents Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a brain disorder characterized by slowly destroying your memory and your ability to think. Ginger tea can reduce the potential loss of brain cells. It protects these cells for longer. Ginger tea may also prevent brain-related diseases. Number 6. Improves fertility. Studies have shown that ginger tea has a positive effect on male fertility, particularly the quality of the sperm. It can also help treat erectile dysfunction and improve sex activity. Number 7. Remedy for stomach discomfort and nausea. The use of ginger tea as a natural remedy for an upset stomach has been practiced since thousands of years ago. A nice warm cup of ginger tea may be all you need to cure bellyache, morning sickness, or even motion sickness. If you suffer from motion sickness, we recommend that you have a cup of tea before going on a drive or flight. Number 8. Helps in digestion. Ginger tea can help with proper digestion by improving food absorption. It helps prevent stomach pain. Ginger tea can also help cure bloating and unnecessary burping. This delicious tea suppresses your appetite, thereby promoting weight loss. Number 9. Reduces inflammation. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties. It is used to treat rheumatoid arthritis and other inflammation of the joints. It can also minimize swelling and puffiness within sore muscles and joints and has natural pain relief benefits. Number 10. Helps asthma symptoms. Drinking ginger may help relieve symptoms of asthma. This spice can help to loosen phlegm and expand the lungs, allowing you to breathe more comfortably. If you're still watching, you're loving our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Smash the notification bell now and never miss any upload from us. Number 11. Improves blood circulation. Drinking ginger tea can improve blood flow and prevent fever, chills, as well as excessive sweating. Ginger contains active compounds such as amino acids and minerals that aid in improved blood flow. Ginger has medicinal properties that may prevent cardiovascular diseases. Number 12. Weight loss. Ginger tea is a perfect drink to include in your diet if you're trying to lose weight. Ginger can help in burning excess fat and making you feel fuller for longer. When you feel full, you avoid the possibility of overeating. Ginger is an ingredient of a special breakfast drink from Japan that's been shown to melt 3 pounds every 3.5 days. A 45-year-old mother of 3 has seen incredible results from this Japanese tonic called the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. She drank this breakfast health tonic consistently and lost 54 pounds in only 7 weeks. Her amazing weight loss story is in the description. These benefits of ginger tea make it an ideal part of your healthy lifestyle. Ginger is natural, readily available, and easy to prepare. So go ahead and give ginger tea a try and experience firsthand its awesome health benefits. If you loved our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Smash the notification bell and never miss any upload from us.